Hello, James from Farm My School here. Today we're doing a super simple recipe that's using our beautiful beetroots from the farm. So using our beetroots, we're going to be making a raw beetroot pickle. And to do so we're using simply 4 ingredients. We're also using a lemon, we're using some sugar, and any sugar is fine, so whether it's caster sugar or brown sugar or today we're using raw sugar, any sugar is fine with this. Use what you've got in the pantry. And we're also using some vinegar. Today we've got some apple cider vinegar, but you could again use any vinegar you've got in the pantry that you've got available to you. So the first thing we want to do is simply prep our beetroots. To do so, you can peel if you'd like to, but you don't have to. The skin's actually got amazing antioxidants in it, and really, that's where the goodness is. So we can actually leave it on if it's clean. Just go for it and use it if you're comfortable with that. So first of all, I'm just going to chop the roots off. Then we're going to get a bowl and a grater, and we're simply going to grate in the beetroot into the bowl. So we've got our grated beetroot there ready to go. Now the rest of it's super simple. So all we need to do is we add some of the lemon. If you've got a juicer, brilliant. If not, just simply squeeze in your lemon. Careful not to put any pips. And with your vinegar, just a splash of vinegar, it's not too much. You can measure it out according to the recipe or just add like to taste on what you please. And then in terms of the sugar, we're talking just a sprinkle. Now raw sugar being larger, it does take a little bit longer to dissolve, but that's okay. You can just toss it through, or you can simply get a spoon and mix it through. And if you let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can even cover it and put it in the fridge. But that's going to actually sort of pickle. The vinegar and the lemon juice is going to almost cook the vinegar. It's going to soften and it's going to sweeten from the sugar, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful. So there you have it. In literally 5 minutes, we have turned some raw beetroots into this beautiful beetroot pickle. This goes amazingly on the top of like poached eggs, or as a little side dish to bake spuds, or it can go with so many different things. It's got that beautiful earthiness to it, but it's also got that sweet sort of acidic flavour as well. So a great one just to really bring to life your meals.